10th Social Science Outbreak of World War I and its Aftermath. Additional important questions and answers. I choose the correct answer. Question 1. The Treaty of Sèvres was signed with A. Austria, B. Hungary, C. Turkey, D. Bulgaria. Answer C. Turkey. Question 2. The policy of imperialism followed by the European countries from 1870 to 1945 was known as A. New imperialism, B. Military imperialism, C. Neo-imperialism. Answer A. New imperialism. Question 3. President Woodrow Wilson put forward nations points in the League of A. 12, B. 11, C. 10, D. 14. Answer D. 14. Question 4. With a modern army and navy, had emerged as an advanced industrialized power. A. Germany, B. Japan, C. Italy. Answer B. Japan. Question 5. Germany surrendered in A. 1917, B. 1918, C. 1919, D. 1916. Answer B. 1918.
Question 6. The sphere of influence was adopted by the European countries in A. Japan, B. China, C. India. Answer B. China. Question 7. Is the name of the Parliament of Russia A. Tsar, B. Trotsky, C. Duma, D. Rasputin. Answer C. Duma. Question 8. The word imperialism is derived from A. Greek, B. German, C. Latin. Answer C. Latin. Question 9. Nicholas II abdicated from his throne on 1917. A. March 12, B. March 15, C. November 18, D. October 14. Answer scanned with open scanner.
March 15. Question 10. The development of speeded the movements of goods between colonies and other countries. A. Roadways, B. Waterways, C. Railways. Answer C. Railways. Roman tough in the blanks 1. The biggest outcome of the First World War was the 2. The Trust is an industrial organization in the 3. The imperialist Prime Minister of South Africa was called 4. Cartel means of enterprises in the same field of business. 5. The treaty was signed after the Russo-Japanese War and Japan got back Port Arthur. 6. The violent form nationalism in Germany was called a 7. France and Germany were old. 8. The enmity between and led to the outbreak of war in 1914. 9. The new state of Albania was created according to the treaty of signed in 1913. 10. Russia suffered heavy losses in the Battle of 11. French warfare was the style followed in the Battle of 12. Russia signed the treaty of with Germany. 13. Italy formally joined the Allies in 14. Battle of Jutland is a battle. 15. Is the name of the American ship sunk by Germany. 16. Was one of the principal in the 14 points of Paris Peace Conference. 17. The war conditions led to the movement in India. 18. Modernized Turkey and changed it out of all recognition. 19. PS is the symbol of 20. The Bolshevik Party was renamed as Party. Answers 1. Russian Revolution 2 is A3. Cecil Rhodes 4. Association 5. Portsmouth 6. Calder 7. Rivals 8. Austria and Serbia 9. London 10. Tannenberg 11. Marne 12. Brest-Litovsk 13. 1916-14. Naval 15. Lusitania 16. Self-determination 17. Home Rule 18. Pound sterling 19. Kemal Pasha 20. Russian Communists.
Choose the correct statements. And question 1. The industrial achievements of Germany in the later half of the 19th century gave her the dominating position in Europe. When Germany came to the scene of exploitation, it became weak in its military power. When there was nowhere else to expand, imperialist countries grab others possessing Roman Russia. Britain and France joined in the scramble for colonies. AI and to correct BI and to wrong the to Roman or wrong to Roman were correct answer. To Roman are wrong. Question 2. The Central Powers consisted of Germany, Austria, Hungary, Turkey, and Bulgaria. Roman Italy strongly supported Germany. 3. April 1916, Britain, France, and Italy signed the Treaty of London. Roman really agreed to enter the war against the Central Powers in return of this territory after the war. To correct the Roman are correct C were correct D and Roman are correct answer. D and Roman are correct. Question 3.
I. Trenches are ditches dug by troops enabled soldiers. E. It was done to protect themselves from enemy fire. E. The Battle of Jutland is a memorable one for trench warfare. IV trench system used in the First World War consisted of 6 to 7 trench lines running parallel to each other. A, E, and IV are correct. B, I, and E are correct. C, I, and IV are correct. D, E, and IV are correct. Answer. B, I, and E are correct. Question 4. The main provision of the Versailles Treaty was that all Central Powers were directed to pay war indemnity. E. All the German colonies became mandated territories under the League of Nations. E. The Saar coal mine was given to Bulgaria. IV. Northern Schleswig was given to France. A, E, and IV are correct. B, I, and E are correct. C, I, E, IV are correct. D, E, and IV are correct. Answer. B, I, and E are correct. Question 5. I-Triple Alliance was signed in 1882 between Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. E. Entente Cordiale was signed in 1906 between Britain and Russia. E. Triple Entente was signed between Britain, France and Russia. IV. The Britain violation of Belgian neutrality forced German to enter the war. A, I, E, IV are correct. B, E, and IV are correct. C, I, and E are correct. D, E, and IV are correct. Answer. C, I, and E are correct. IV. Assertion and reason. Question 1. Assertion A. In spite of warning of the three great powers, Russia, Germany and France, Japan annexed the Liaodong Peninsula with Port Arthur. Reason R. Japan proved that it was the strongest nation of the East Asia. A. Both A and R are correct. B. A is right but R is not the correct reason. C. Both A and R are wrong. D. R is right but it has no relevance to A. Answer. A. Both A and R are correct. Question 2. Assertion A. Two peace conferences were held at The Hague in Holland in 1899 and in 1907. Reason R. Lenin of Russia wanted to bring universal peace and suggested these conferences. A. Both A and R are correct. B. A is right but R is not the correct reason. C. Both A and R are wrong. D. R is right but it has no relevance to A. Answer. B. A is right but R is not the correct reason. Question 3. Assertion A. Italy formally joined with the Allies fighting with Austria, initially sustained, but finally collapsed. Reason R. Germans came to Austria's help. A. Both A and R are correct. B. A is right but R is not the correct reason. C. Both A and R are wrong. D. R is right but it has no relevance to A. Answer. A. Both A and R are correct. Question 4. Assertion A. In Germany and Austria, women and children suffered from hunger and privation. Reason R. Aeroplanes were used for bombing targeted civilian population. A. Both A and R are correct. B. A is right but R is not the correct reason. C. Both A and R are wrong. D. R is right but it has no relevance to A. Answer. B. A is right but R is not the correct reason. Question 5. Assertion A. Marxists in Russia had the fortune of getting Lenin as their
leader. Reason R. Tsar Nicholas II was under the strong influence of his wife Alexandra. A. Both A and R are correct. B. A is right but R is not the correct reason. C. Both A and R are wrong. D. Right. R is right but it has no relevance to A. Answer B. A is right but R is not the correct reason. Question 6. Assertion A. The League of Nations would apply the principle of collective security. Reason R. It was supported by Italy, Japan and Germany. A. Both A and R are correct. B. A is right but R is not the correct reason. C. Both A and R are wrong. D. R is right but it has no relevance to A. C. Both A and B are wrong. Match the following. Question 1. Match the column 1 with column 2. Answer. A. 4. B. 5. C. 1. D. 2. E. 3. Question 2. Match the column 1 with column 2. Answer. A. 4. B. 1. C. V. D. 2. E. 3. Answer the following questions briefly. VI. Question 1. What was the aim of the capitalist countries? Answer. The aim of the capitalist countries was to produce more and more. The surplus wealth that was produced was used to build more factories, railways, steamship and other such surrounding undertakings. What is colonialism? Colonialism refers to the policy of acquiring and maintaining policies, especially for exploitation. It also means that it is a relationship between an indigenous majority and a minority foreign invaders. Question 3. What was the immediate cause of the First World War? Answer. The nephew and heir to Franz Joseph, Emperor of Austria-Hungary, the Archduke Franz Ferdinand was killed by Princip Serbian of Bosnia. This was the intermediate cause as Austria got help from Germany and Serbia got help from Russia. Thus, the war began in 1914. Question 4. How did China become an international colony? Answer. The Boers were defeated by foreign powers. 1. 2. When they reached Peking, the capital of China, Empress Dowager fled from the capital. 3. The USA and England formulated the open door policy or Me Too policy. 4. The Chinese territories were partitioned among the foreign powers for trade nights. Thus, China became an international colony. Question 5. What do you understand by Paris Peace Conference? Answer. The Paris Peace Conference held in January 1919, 2 months after the signing of the armistice. Woodrow Wilson of America and Lloyd George of Britain were the important personalities. On 28 June 1990, the peace treaty was signed the Hall of Mirrors at Versailles. What was the immediate cause of the First World War? In 1908, Austria annexed Bosnia and Herzegovina against the Congress of Berlin. Austrian Prince Francis Ferdinand and his wife were assassinated at Sarajevo on June 28, 1914. Austria sent an ultimatum to Serbia, but Serbia ignored it. So Austria declared war on Serbia on 28 July 1914. Write the slogans, question 7, raised by Lenin that attracted Soviet people. Answer. All power to the Soviets and bread, peace and land were the slogans raised by Lenin that attracted the Soviet people who were devastated by wartime shortages. Question 8. Write any two terms of the Treaty of Versailles. Answer. A huge war indemnity was imposed on Germany. Her army was reduced. The overseas possessions of Germany were divided among the. Write any two objectives of the League. Answer. Question 9. Victorious nations. The two main objectives of the League of Nations was to avoid war and to maintain peace in the world. Second, to promote international cooperation in economic and social affairs. First one. Question 10. What do you mean by Russian Revolution? Answer. The fall of monarch in February 1917 and the events of October are known as the Russian Revolution. Question 11. What is Duma? Why did the Tsar dismiss the first Duma within 75 days of its election? Answer. An elective legislative assembly established in 1905 by Nicholas II in Russia is known as Duma. Because the Tsar did not want anyone to question his authority, so he dismissed the first Duma within 75 days. Answer all the questions under each caption. Characteristics of imperialism. 1. A. What led to concept of imperialism? Answer. Capitalism inevitably led to the concept of imperialism. What was Lenin's idea on imperialism? Answer. According to Lenin, imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism. C. What were the purposes for which the colonies were made use of? Answer. The colonies served as market for goods and also vast supplies of raw materials like cotton, rubber, etc. Never sets in the British Empire. 3 naval battles. Name the naval battle that took place in 1916. What was the logic behind imperialism apart from colonization? Answer. The logic behind imperialism apart from colonization was total militarization and total war. The ambition of Germany. Who was the ruler of Germany during the First World War? D. A. Kaiser William II. Answer. B. What did he believe? Answer. He believed that Germany alone was competent to rule the whole world. C. What would not be tolerated by him? He would not tolerate the British saying that the sun. Answer. In 1916, the naval battle has taken place in North Sea called as Battle of Jutland. Which country started the submarine warfare thereafter? Answer. Germany started the submarine warfare thereafter. B. C. Name the ship that bombarded Madras. Answer. The ship that bombarded Madras was the famous Emden ship. D. Name the American ship torpedoed by a German submarine. Answer. Lusitania, an American ship, was torpedoed by the German submarine. 4. Course of the First World War. A. Give the duration of the First World War. Answer. From July 28, 1914 to November 11, 1918. Who were called the Central Powers? B. Answer. The countries which were on the side of Germany were called the Central Powers. C. Who were called the Allies? Answer. The countries which were on the side of Britain were called as the Allies. D. What and will were used in war? Answer: artillery, tanks, and submarines were used in the war. 5. Lenin. A. Where was he born? Answer: Lenin was born in 1870 near the Middle Volga to educated parents. Where what is belief? B. Answer: Lenin believed that the war of freedom was the mass action. C. When and why was he arrested? Answer: he was arrested in 1895 and kept in Serbia for encouraging the ideas of Marxism to the factory workers in St. Petersburg. D. How did he form the Bolshevik Party? Answer: Lenin gained the support of small majority called Bolsheviki, known as Bolsheviks, which later became the Bolshevik Party. 6. Results of the war. A. How were the terms of the treaties drafted? Answer: based upon the 14 points of the American President Woodrow Wilson. What did Germany surrender to France? Answer: B. Germany surrendered Alsace and Lorraine to Europe. C. Where was monarchy abolished? Answer: in Germany, Russia, Austria, and Turkey. D. Name the new republics. Answer: Slovakia and Poland. VIII. Answer the following detail. Question 1. Write a note on the structure and composition of its League of Nations. Answer. The Covenant of the League of Nations was formed at the Paris Peace Conference after the First World War. President of USA, Woodrow Wilson, largely supported for his task to be accomplished. The structure of the League consists of the Assembly 1 to 3. The Council, the Secretariat, the Permanent Court of Justice, and the International Labour Organization. Each member country was represented in the Assembly. 4. Each member's country and had one vote. 7. The Council was the executive of the League and also possessed the right of veto. Britain, France, Italy, Japan, and the United States were already declared permanent members of the Council. The staff of the Secretariat 8 was appointed by the Secretary General in consultation with the Council. 9. The Court of Justice consists of 15 judges. 10. The International Labour Organization comprised the Secretariat. The General Conference will include 4 representatives from each country. 11. The first Secretary General of League of Nations was Sir Eric Dumont from Britain. Question 2. What were the results of the First World War? Answer: the Paris Peace Conference. 1. The First World War came to an end by the Paris Peace Conference of 1919. 2. The city of Danzig was internationalized. D. Lithuania, Latvia, and Czechoslovakia were granted independence. The formation of the League of Nations. 1. The First World War brought untold miseries to the people. All the nations wanted a permanent body to maintain peace in the world, so the League of Nations was formed in 1920. 3. The victorious nations posed the defeated warriors nations with unfair treaties. It sowed the seed for the Second World War. Question 3. What was the impact of First World War on India? Answer: 1. The First World War has multiple effects on the Indian economy, society, and politics. 2. Indians have taken an active part in the war on the side of Britain, believing that it would reward independence after the war. 3. But also disappointment was rewarded to the Indians, for Indian soldiers asked to serve in the people, Africa and West Asia. 5. India contributed Euro 230 million in cash and over 125 Euros million in loan towards war expenses. 6. India also sent war materials to the value of Euro 250 million. 7. There were economic distress all over the country. 8. Towards the end of the war, India suffered under the worldwide epidemic of influenza. 9. Home rule movement aroused in India due to the war conditions. 10. The Congress split of extremists and moderates reunited. 11. The Ottoman Empire under the Turkish Sultan was defeated in World War I and the territories shared between Britain and France. 12. This led to the formation of Khilafat movement in India.